Dear student, in last video we completed the topic ray diagram for convex lens and concave lens. But now we repeat one topic, that is some rules to draw ray diagram. Now we discuss only for the concave lens. Concave lens, principal axis, optical center. If a ray is parallel to principal axis, after refraction, this will go in this direction. Therefore, we extend it backside, passes through focus point. Understood? Second one, ray parallel to principal axis passes through focus point. Second one, concave lens, principal axis, optical center, focus. If a ray passes through focus after refraction, parallel to principal axis. And last one is simple, concave lens, optical center. Now if a ray passes through optical center, it don't refract, it goes in the same way. Now next topic we will see, that is sign convention for lens. Sign convention for mirror we already seen, both are the same topic, same rules are there. Only we take a small revise of that topic. Sign convention for lens. Consider convex lens, principal axis, center, optical center, two focus f1 and f2, two center of curvature c1 and c2. Correct? Now if you put object here, then this is the direction of incident ray. Incident ray. All the measurement should done from the optical center. Now if you want to measure the object distance, then you have to measure from optical center in this direction. Then the direction of measurement and direction of incident ray both are different, then you have to take the negative measurement. Now if image is from here, then you measure image from the optical center in this direction, then direction of incident ray and direction of measurement both are the same. That distance you have to take the positive. Now perpendicular to principal axis and above principal axis, that distance should be positive. Below principal axis and perpendicular to principal axis, that distance should be negative. This all about the sign convention. Same as the mirror, only in place of pole we write the optical center. Now next topic is lens formula and magnification. For lens we have to use lens formula, for mirror we have to use mirror's formula. Lens formula and magnification. Now what is the lens formula? The formula which gives relation between The formula which gives relation between object distance u, image distance v and focal length f. 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. This formula is called the length formula. 1 upon v. V means image distance minus 1 upon u, object distance is equal to 1 upon f, focal length. Now magnification. Magnification is denoted by small letter m. What is the formula for magnification? H dash upon h. Image height to object height, that is called the magnification. Now in mirror, the magnification is minus v upon u for the mirror, but here for the lens we have to take positive sign. M is equal to magnification is equal to h dash upon h is equal to plus v upon u, object is image distance upon object distance. Understood? If magnification is equal to 1, then we get image of the same size. If magnification is more than 1, then we get the magnified image, and if magnification is less than 1, then we get the diminished image. Now this all about the lens formula and magnification. The definition of magnification and lens we will already seen in the mirrors. Mirrors and lens both are same, only one difference is that here we take the positive sign. Okay. Now we will see some examples related with the lens formula. Example 10.1, page number 182. Example 10.1. Example 10.3. Page number 182. We read the question. For that, for question, I take this textbook. A concave lens has focal length 15 centimeter. Concave lens, focal length 15 centimeter, then it has a virtual focal length, then focal length will come on this side, so focal length will be negative. Focal length will be negative, so we write f is equal to minus 15 centimeter. At what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at 10 centimeter from the lens? Image distance is given 10 centimeter, correct? Then virtual image we obtain, then that is the v is equal to minus 10 centimeter, and the value of u we have to calculate here. Again, also find the magnification produced by the lens. We have to calculate magnification m also. Now we use the lens formula. 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Putting all the values, 1 upon minus 10 minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Putting all the values in this formula, 1 upon minus 10 minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon minus 15. Now this minus term become positive here, therefore minus 1 upon u is equal to minus 1 by 15 minus minus plus 1 by 10. What is the LCM? 15 and 10? Good. 30 minus 1 upon u is equal to LCM 30 minus 2 plus 3 minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 by 30, taking reciprocal minus u is equal to 30, but we have to find the value of u, not minus u. Therefore, u is equal to minus 30 centimeter. U is equal to minus means what? The object we have to put on here. So, from the optical center we get the minus u. Now, we have to calculate magnification. V is minus, so we get the virtual image. M is equal to V upon u. What is the value of V? V is equal to minus 10 and value of u is equal to minus 30. 1 by 3, 0, 0 cut. Therefore, M is equal to, do this division, 1 by 3, I think 0.33. Magnification is less than 1, so we get diminished image. So, we get the diminished image. Take a look. Now, we will solve example 10.4, page number 182. Read the question. A 2 cm tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens. Underline here, convex lens. Then here, convex lens is used. Example 10.4. A 2 cm tall object is placed perpendicular 2 cm above the principal axis. So, we have to take as positive 2 cm. Height of object is positive 2 cm. Correct? Perpendicular to principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 10 cm. Now, what is the focal length? 10 cm. Here is the focal length after refraction. Then f is equal to plus 10 centimeter. The distance of the object from the convex is 15 centimeter. Object distance is 15 centimeter. We have to take a negative from the optical center, negative. Find nature, position and image of the size of the image. Also find its magnification. Now, we write given things. F is equal to plus 10 centimeter. Object distance u is equal to minus 15 centimeter. Height of object h is equal to plus 2 centimeter. And what we have to find here? Value of v and value of m, magnification. Okay student, tell me formula for the lens. Good. 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Put all the values. 1 upon v minus 1 upon minus 15 is equal to 1 upon 10. Minus minus become plus. 1 upon v plus 1 upon 15 is equal to 1 upon 10. 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 15, then plus become here minus. I think you know that the LCM for 10 and 15 is 30. Very good. 1 upon v is equal to LCM 30. We write here 3 minus 2. Then 1 upon v is equal to 1 by 30. Taking reciprocal, v is equal to plus 30 centimeter. If V is equal to plus 30 centimeter means you get image on this side, then that is the real and inverted. This image is real and inverted. Now we find about the magnification. M is equal to H dash upon H is equal to V upon U. Putting all the values, H dash we have to find it. Value of H 2 is equal to value of V 30 and U is equal to minus 15. Therefore, H dash upon 2 is equal to 15 2s are 30 minus 2 and this 2 will be multiplied here. Therefore, H dash is equal to minus 2 multiplied by 2. H dash is equal to minus 4 centimeter. What is the height of object? That is the 2 centimeter and height of image is 4 centimeter. So we get magnified image. And why this minus sign came here? Because that is the inverted, real and inverted. So minus sign we add here. This is about example 10.4. Now last topic we will see here, power of lens, that will ask for the 2 marks. Power of lens. Power of lens. Now, what is the definition of power of lens? Reciprocal of focal length is called power of lens. Power of lens is denoted by letter P and this is the reciprocal of focal length, correct? SI unit of power of lens is diopter. If focal length is 1 meter, if focal length is 1 meter, then D is equal to 1 upon meter. So 1 D is equal to 1 meter raised to minus 1. Now for the concave lens and for convex lens, power is positive and for concave lens power is negative. Now when we went to the opticians, then that optician measure the power of lens in diopter like in this way, correct? Then what is the focal length? Power is plus 2D, then focal length is 0.50 centimeter and that lens is convex lens. Now suppose power is minus 2.5 diopter, then what about the focal length? 1 upon power, we get 0.40 centimeter focal length and that lens should be concave lens. Focal length negative, so power also negative. Focal length positive, so power also positive for the convex lens. Now these all the points for 2 marks you have to write, and exercise of this chapter you have to solve at home. Here we completed chapter number 10, light, reflection and refraction. Thank you.